Hey, this is Jeff again with the Valhalla Ventures, reguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com. Wanted to do a quick video and talk to you about if you have an insurance claim. So if you have an insurance claim for broken pipes, flooded drywall, that kind of stuff, messed up flooring, furniture, all that kind of stuff, a couple of things that you should do. Of course, document, like everybody tells you, document. One thing to keep in mind is that in over 20 years of working with insurance companies, I've never had a problem getting all of the money that I needed out of them to do the job, to give everybody everything back that they lost. Insurance companies are usually very, very, very easy to work with. Now, when I say very, very easy, what I mean is they're going to be sending out a lot of people to do inspections of damage. Claims adjusters is what they call these people. And when the insurance company sends out claims adjusters, sometimes you're going to get a great one, sometimes you're going to get a not so great one. They're not all created equal, because humans are not all created equal. Some of us are fallible, me in that list of fallible people. So if you get a good claims adjuster, they're going to write everything up for you, put everything down. It's going to be more than enough money to pay everybody to do everything that needs to be done. Independent claims adjusters, I've said this before and I'll say it again, I'm not a fan of independent claims adjusters, because the way that they operate is that they come in and they try to maximize what it is your loss is, which, fine. The problem is that sometimes they get a little overzealous in what it is that they're claiming that they want. They threaten to sue and all that kind of stuff, but you can't settle with your insurance company unless they've settled with your insurance company or you've settled up with them. So I'll give you a quick math. I have huge numbers here, but let's just say it's $100,000 worth of damage. They want 10% for coming out and doing the adjustment of your claim. So they get $10,000. Now, if your insurance company comes back out and you guys go through it all and it's been 6 months and you still have no money, you say, hey, look, I can get this thing fixed. I've almost gotten it fixed and I've only spent $40,000. Another 20 and I'd be good. The insurance company was offering me, 60 to begin with. But guess what? You still owe $10,000. So you still are going to owe that $10,000. And so now you're in a situation where you're stuck. And in order for you to get the money you need to complete your project, you're going to have to either pay these people their $10,000 or work something out. And usually it causes a lot of delays. And like I said, the big thing that you can do, and what's real important, is that you can start your project. Don't reject whatever money they give you, because just because they give you a check doesn't mean you can't get a supplemental check. So if they give you a check for $10,000 and you start doing work and you got a bunch of trades that are coming out and they're telling you it's going to be XYZ amount of money and that money you got isn't going to be enough, then you can go back to your insurance company and say, hey, I'm going to need more. Here's some proof of what it is that it's going to cost to get done what I need to get done. And as long as you're not trying to get one over on the insurance company, as long as you're trying to be honest and only take what you have coming to you, what's really in the policy, you're going to get more than enough money. I've never seen anyone lose on an insurance claim unless they were, underinsured or something like that. But actual payouts on the actual claims, you're going to do fine. You can get contractors come out and give you a line item estimate for everything that needs to be done. You can get trades. I have a video that is on how to hire contractors and trades. So there's lots of ways that you can do this without having to involve more people like independent claims adjusters. The claims adjuster that you get, if you don't like them, if they're not great, if they're not giving you everything that you feel you're entitled to, you are entitled to request another claims adjuster. Make sure that the people that are doing the repairs that are required to be licensed are licensed. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC, those things are required to be licensed. And you need to make sure you're hiring licensed people, because the last thing that you want to do is have the insurance come back and audit you and find out that you were supposed to be using licensed people, that they paid for licensed people, and then you didn't use licensed people. You don't want to go through stuff like that. You don't want to deal with these fly-by-night people anyway. You never know what you're really getting. Now, of course, if you do want to do the repairs yourself, in almost all places, it's perfectly legal for you to do those kind of emergency repairs on your own. I'm considering doing a video on that. I might do it. I might not. I'm trying to think about the liability aspects of it there, but I'll probably go ahead and do one because I know most people are going to do it anyway. Like if you're going to do it, you're going to look for a YouTube video to do it. So I might go ahead and do it anyway. It's a pretty safe and easy process. It doesn't require a whole lot of tools, as long as it's not like in your wall. If it's in your attic and easy to access, I'm more concerned about people climbing up in their attic and falling through and getting hurt than I am about causing any kind of real damage to the plumbing system by trying to do the repairs. But anyway, I digress on that. Check out my video on hiring trades and contractors. Like I said, work with your insurance company. Be real patient. Be real understanding that this stuff takes time. I know it's a pain in the butt. I've had to deal with them over and over again for other people. I've had to deal with them for myself. My own house is flooded back during Allison. I finally got into a new house 6 months later, and I caught that kitchen on fire and had to deal with that. So I definitely know that it is not fun to deal with your own personal losses. And I've been very blessed to not have to deal with any of those over the last couple of years. And I'm thankful for that. But if there's anything I can do, if I can help you out, answer any questions on your insurance claims or whatever, I am not an adjuster. I'm not licensed as an adjuster. I do have a guy that works with me that is one, but he works for the insurance companies. He doesn't work as an independent. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, thevalhallaventures.com, reguideservice.com. My name is Jeff. Be blessed, bless others. And listen, we got the sun shining. I know it's still cold. I know people are still suffering, but we're going to make it through this. And if there's anything I can do to help out, please reach out. I never mind answering questions. I feel like I have this wealth of knowledge that if I don't share it, I'm just being greedy. It doesn't cost me anything to give you guys free information. So feel free to reach out. Any contracting questions, any kind of estimating questions, dealing with your insurance questions, that kind of stuff, I'm always available. Reguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com. I'm getting better at that. Have a good day. Bye.